Okay, before I got any later, I thought I'd better show you the backyard. I just basically finished what I needed to do. So I got this, I got the neighbor's area over here. I got way over there, cleaned it up a little bit. Here's alongside of your house. Oh, somebody installed a new fence? No, I just pressure washed it. Oh boy. What do you got? Oh boy, it's all weeded. Wash the fence down a little bit. Try not to get too hard on it. Try to get the green off this wall. Still needs artificial grass. Got yourself a little bit of firewood, logs. Springtime, I washed the deck up there. All these gutters all done. Rinsed the house down. Exposed the steer system. Everything's nice and flush and weeded. Got in here, cleaned it all up in here. It looks good. I went and exposed your giant cedar tree over there so you could see it. What it used to, how big the trees were. 8 foot, almost. After this dries out and rinses down a few more times from rain, it's going to be really sharp looking. But you're ready to plant anything you want. So these logs down here should, if you want to use them, to border this whole area. That's a live holly tree that I dug up out of the ground for you. The tree that this came from, all this wood, I went and found a sapling coming out of the trunk or out of the stump. So I'll plant it over there in the corner so it can grow again. So here's your new fire pit and table. Kind of cool, you know. Made it so you could walk over here a lot better. Nothing hindering you from walking. I went over to that, there's a big cedar over there. Way in the corner. And it's got the stairs going up to it where they went and cut the tree down a long time ago. There's something big living in there. I'm not saying it's Sasquatch big, but it's pretty big. That's good. You need wildlife out here. And they're opening up your little creek area. That looks sharp. Covering that so it's like a walkway for the big Sasquatch to come over and say hi to you. Here's another tree planter I got. So you can put something in there and it's hollow all the way down. So this is a cleanup for your backyard. Added a couple more bricks. Exposed this broken log better. Have a great day at work. Thanks for hiring me.